Today we are going to do an unboxing video. First thing is the Apple Watch magnetic charging dock. The second one is the Apple World Travel Adapter Kit. So let's go open all this up to see how they are. First, let's open this. Okay, so it is quite heavy. I was holding other brand charging dock. Notice that the Apple one is the heaviest one. So must have more weight. So I quite like the texture. It is like it's like those microfiber velvet touching. And the top is quite good. Okay. And it used the USB one. The original one is the USB-C. This is the original one that comes with the watch. Okay, so I think that's when we can peel it. And it will comes up. Oh, it comes up this way. So peel that off. Okay, so I have plugged it. I think that cable is purposely a lot longer. The concept of this is for you to put it like on your bedside table. So that cable is a lot longer than the one that comes with originally. I think this for you to plug in anywhere in your room. You can charge it when it's lying flat or pop it up. So let's see. Okay, so yes. I like the idea of having a disc like this is because they stay in here. Because when I was charging this, is always flowing around. So I think I will scratch it too easily. Okay, so I quite like the look of this. So like when it's horizontally charging, it will become the night mode, like a bedside lamp. So won't lose it and they won't go anywhere if you have a lot of few things next to your bed. Second item, World Travel Adapter. Okay, so this box is quite helpful if you go on holiday because they will tell you which country use what adapter. So I'm going to Hong Kong, so it will be this one. What is that? Yep. Of me getting this box is to charge my MacBook. Normally I will add an adapter like this, but they're very lousy. It's tight and it doesn't fit, and then sometimes it will burn. So that's why I don't want to ruin this adapter. I don't want to ruin my MacBook. That's why I bought the whole Apple set. So this one is a lot safer if I'm changing the head. So what I will do, that's sticker with me and Romeo. Remove that. And I'll just, so he's here like this. And I'll just slide this one back in. Yep, and then I can safely charge this when I go on holiday. So, okay, so besides this one, we have the Australian one and 2 round legs. See, they have a few different. This one is the bigger one. This is the smaller one. I think the bigger one is for Korea, and the smaller one is for Brazil, continental Europe. This one is for Hong Kong, and this two straight leg is for China. Oh, and for my MacBook, I got a case. I quite like this case because this case is very slim. I like slim case. I don't like bulky case. And with this, not sure what brand it is, but double zip. And here, the best thing I like about this bag is because it got a little handle. It has a little handle because normally for laptop sleeves, it's always hold it like this and then walk around. I don't want to use my hand to hold it like this because it's quite heavy. I want to have a little handle and it's very subtle. So if you don't want a handle, when you put it in a luggage or in a bigger bag, then you can flatten it. But if you want a handle, just pull that out like this. Very handy. And then it got a other zip outside just for you to get some not too bulky things. Okay, so all done for today. If you find this video is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. We upload new videos every week about beauty, fashion, gadget, Romeo, everything you might like. See you next time. Subscribe. Bye. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. What are you looking at?